Hello students of standard 7. How are you? Fine, good. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School, Sita Zongi. This is your social science teacher, Nitin Pushpatode. Okay, let's begin an online session of social science. Children, are you ready? Okay, let's start. In the previous online session, we have started the topic democracy and equality. In that online session, we have learned about the constitution. Okay, students, today we will start the new subtopic universal adult franchise. Okay, let's start universal adult franchise. First of all, students, I am telling you about the basic theme of universal adult franchise. It is very essential to know about it. Listen, students, universal adult franchise means that the right to vote should be given to all adult citizens without the discrimination of caste, class, color, religion, reason, or gender. So, students, the right to vote should be given to all adult citizens without any discrimination. It is refers to as a universal adult franchise. Students, it is totally based on equality, which is a basic principle of democracy. This refers to the universal adult franchise. Students, we know that in a democracy everyone is equal. So about that we have learned in the previous class. Okay, in a democracy everyone is equal. Students, our constitution has granted universal adult franchise. That means right to vote to everyone who is above 18 years without any discrimination of caste, color, or religion, reason or language. This is called the universal adult franchise. Our constitution has granted the universal adult franchise. That means right to vote to everyone who is above 18 years without any discrimination. This is called the universal adult franchise. Okay, students. Then next one's one man one vote. This is the most important provision. Just framed by the constitution framers. One man, one vote was the most courageous step of the constitution framers. Okay, student, listen. One picture is given. This picture just is showing us what casting vote, casting the votes. That means, so listen, students. The people of India cast their votes. The people of India cast their votes and elect representatives for a fixed period. Student cast their votes and elect their representative for a fixed period. For example, students, we are belong from a village area, so gram panchayat is there. For the first of all, we elect the sarpanch as a head of village for a 5 years. That means for a fixed period. 5 years is the fixed period. Okay, first of all we elect the sarpanch as a head of village for 5 years. He has a responsibility. That means sarpanch has a responsibility to run gram panchayat administration according to the wishes of people. According to the wishes of people, that means, students, these representatives run the government according to wishes of the people. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is working in our country, and he runs the government according to the wishes of the people. Students, suppose first of all we elect the sarpanch, then he has a responsibility to welfare the people, but he is not doing so properly. He is not focusing on the wishes of people. Okay, so on that time, in a next election, people also keep the close. That means close, and just he do, that means they did not give vote to him in the next election. So in such a way that we have power to elect the new sarpanch as a head of village in the next election. So we have a power in such a way that in a democracy, all to all power just vested in the hands of people. Okay, representative just they do not do, that means they do not do so properly, they are not working properly. Definitely the people don't vote for them in the next election, and definitely they have powers, will elect to the new representatives. Okay, students, people also keep a close watch on the activities of their representatives to guard their rights as granted by the constitution. Okay, students, in such a way that everyone has a powers, everyone has got, okay, everyone has got the universal adult franchise. That means the right to vote. Okay, it was granted by the constitution, so that's why right to vote to everyone, and because of that just we elect our representative according to the constitution. Okay, students, and these representatives have a responsibilities to fulfill their wishes of the people, and they are working properly for the running administration. Like a sarpanch, he is totally responsible for the welfare of village. Okay, students, in such a way that Today we learned about the universal adult franchise, that means right to vote to everyone. Okay, so it's on the basis of today's content, one assignment question I am giving you, and this question is in front of you. Write the question and answer also. Okay, students, remaining part of this lesson we will learn in the next online session. Thank you very much.